Hello Wisdomers and welcome to our weekly career roundup. You have learned C programming, you are learning algorithms and you know how to write code. But here is the secret. Professional software engineering is only about 30% writing code. The other 70% is about managing the code, deploying it, testing it and collaborating on it. If you show up to your first job knowing only how to code, you will feel lost. This week, we are breaking down the 5 essential tools that every professional developer uses every single day. These aren't programming languages, they are the tools of the trade. Mastering them now will make you look like a pro on day one. Are you ready for it? Let's get started. Our first important tool is Integrated Development Environment. In short, we call it as IDE. Specifically Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Stop coding in Notepad or Turbo C. In the real world, your editor is your cockpit. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is the industry standard. Why? Because it is not just a text editor, it has extensions that check your code for errors while you type. It has a built-in debugger that lets you pause your code and inspect variables just like we do in our trace tables. It has Git integration right in the sidebar. And the lesson is download the VS Code today, learn the keyboard shortcuts, learn how to install extensions for C and Python, get comfortable with your tool right from today. Our second tool is the terminal or command line. Graphical interfaces are great, but they are slow. Professional engineers live in the terminal. Whether it's Linux, Mac OS or Windows PowerShell, the command line gives you direct power over the operating system. Why? When you deploy code to the server in the cloud, there is no mouse, there is no graphical desktop, there is only a black screen and a blinking cursor. And the lesson from this is, don't be afraid of the black screen. Learn basic commands like ls to list the files, cd to change the directories and mkdir to make folders. It is the language of servers. Our third important tool is the version control, Git and GitHub. We have talked about this before, but it's worth repeating. Git is the save button for your entire team's history. Why? In a real job, you never work alone. You work on branches, you create pull requests to ask your team to review your code, you handle merge conflicts when two people change the same file. The lesson from it is, stop saving files as project file version2.zip, initialize a Git repository, learn how to commit, push and create a branch. This is how professionals collaborate. Our fourth tool is the API tester, Postman. Most modern software is built on APIs, code talking to other code over the internet. But how do you test your backend code if the front end isn't built yet? Postman lets you send requests to your API and see exactly what comes back without needing a website. It is the essential tool for any backend or full stack developer. And the lesson from this is, download the Postman now. Find a free public API like weather APIs and try sending requests to it. See the data coming back. It's magical. Our fifth tool is the project tracker, Jira or Trello. Software isn't built in a day. It's broken down into hundreds of small tasks called tickets or stories. Why? Your boss needs to know what you are working on. You need to know what's next. Tools like Jira track the status of every bug and feature. You move a ticket from to do to in progress to done. And the lesson from this is, you can practice this now. For your next personal project, create a free Trello board, break your project into small tasks, move them across the board as you finish them. It trains you think in an organized professional way. So there you have it. Visual Studio Code, the terminal, Git, Postman and Jira. These are the tools that build the modern world. Mastering these tools take practice. That's why our Learning Agent app is being designed to not just teach you code, but to integrate with these professional workflows. We want to help you build the habits of a real engineer, from writing clean code to managing your tasks. The link to get onto the waitlist is in the description. That's it for this week's career roundup. Now a question for you. Which of these 5 tools have you used before, and which one you are going to install and learn this weekend? Let me know in the comments below. Let's build our professional toolkits together. Thanks for watching and keep learning.